Hey, Edgar's from Funneltopia here. I just wanted to let you know that WhatsApp bulk actions is a new feature that's available on Funneltopia, which is actually, first of all, in order for it to be available for you, you have to go to Settings, Labs, and then scroll down, Bulk WhatsApp. You need to turn it on. Unless you're watching this video like a little bit further down the road, then this will not be in beta anymore. But as of shooting this video right now, it's still going to be in beta for 8 days. So just so you know, if it's not available, you might need to switch it on. But as for the function itself, essentially what it does is you can select your specific contacts that you want to, let's say, send out a bulk message via WhatsApp, right? You select those contacts and then bulk WhatsApp. You click on it, and here, pretty simple. You can select from a template, whatever it is, right? Action name, I don't know, test message, and then you click confirm, right? And then you send out a message, and it's just tested it out, went out within seconds. And then once it's done, let's say you send it out to like 20 people, right? Here you can see the once it's complete, you can see all the analytics. You can show the stats over here, right? How many processed, how many errors skipped. So it's all available here under bulk actions. Make sure to go check it out. Send out a message to yourself. See what it looks like, and make sure to utilize it. And if you have any questions, click on over here, 24/7 chat support. We'll make sure to respond as quickly as possible. Any questions Funneltopia related? If you don't have any questions, then I'll see you in the next video. Bye.